Hello everyone. Today, we embark on a journey of transformation and growth. Life presents us with challenges and pain. But it is how we respond to these difficulties that defines our character. The theme of our speech is about embracing pain. Not as a setback, but as a powerful catalyst for rebuilding and becoming stronger than ever. Let's explore how to channel our struggles into opportunities for profound personal growth. Pain is a universal experience. But our perspective on it can make all the difference. Instead of viewing pain as a hindrance, we must see it as a teacher. Pain teaches us resilience, patience, and strength. Every challenge and hardship we face has a lesson embedded within it. By embracing pain and viewing it as an opportunity to learn and grow, we shift our mindset from victimhood to empowerment. Reflect on past experiences where pain led to personal growth. Recognize the valuable insights gained and how they have shaped you into a stronger individual. Embracing pain as a teacher allows us to transform adversity into wisdom. Acceptance is the first step towards transformation. It involves acknowledging the reality of our pain without resistance or denial. When we resist pain, we amplify our suffering. Acceptance, on the other hand, allows us to confront our challenges head-on and begin the healing process. Practice self-compassion and acknowledge your feelings without judgment. Understand that it's okay to experience pain and that it is a natural part of the human experience. By accepting our circumstances, we free ourselves from the shackles of denial and create space for growth and rebuilding. A growth mindset is essential for turning pain into progress. It is the belief that our abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. Adopting a growth mindset empowers us to see challenges as opportunities for development. Instead of saying, "I can't," we say, "I can learn." Embrace the idea that setbacks are not permanent and that failure is a stepping stone to success. Surround yourself with positive influences that reinforce a growth mindset. Engage in activities that challenge you and push you out of your comfort zone. By cultivating a growth mindset, you equip yourself with the resilience needed to rebuild and thrive. Pain can be a powerful source of motivation if we learn to harness it effectively. It can drive us to push beyond our limits and achieve greatness. Use your pain as fuel to propel you forward. Channel your emotions into productive actions that align with your goals. Let your hardships inspire you to work harder and strive for excellence. Remember that many great achievements in history were born out of adversity. Your pain can become the catalyst for your greatest accomplishments. By turning pain into fuel, you transform negative experiences into a powerful force for positive change. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks and keep moving forward. It is a crucial trait for anyone looking to rebuild themselves. Building resilience involves developing mental and emotional strength. Practice mindfulness and stress management techniques to maintain a balanced state of mind. Cultivate a support network of friends, family, and mentors who can provide guidance and encouragement. Focus on small, incremental progress rather than expecting overnight success. By building resilience, you create a solid foundation that allows you to navigate challenges with grace and determination. Rebuilding yourself often requires redefining your identity and values. It involves letting go of limiting beliefs and embracing a new, empowered self. Take time to reflect on your core values and what truly matters to you. Identify any limiting beliefs that have been holding you back and challenge them. Embrace change and be open to evolving as a person. Set new goals that align with your authentic self and take deliberate steps towards achieving them. By reconstructing your identity, you pave the way for a more fulfilling and purposeful life. Perseverance is the relentless pursuit of your goals despite obstacles and setbacks. It is a key ingredient in the process of rebuilding yourself. Perseverance requires a strong sense of purpose and unwavering determination. Remind yourself of your why, the reason behind your goals and aspirations. Break your goals into manageable steps and celebrate each small victory along the way. Stay committed to your journey, even when the going gets tough. Understand that setbacks are temporary and that perseverance will ultimately lead to success. By embodying perseverance, you ensure that no challenge can deter you from rebuilding and achieving your dreams. The journey of rebuilding yourself is a profound and transformative experience. It is important to celebrate your progress and acknowledge how far you've come. Take time to reflect on your achievements and the growth you have experienced. Celebrate the milestones, both big and small, and recognize the effort you have invested in your journey. Share your story with others to inspire and motivate them. Embrace a sense of gratitude for the challenges that have shaped you into a stronger and wiser person. By celebrating your transformation, you honor your journey and set the stage for continued growth and success. In conclusion, dear friends and seekers of strength, remember that pain is not a hindrance but a powerful catalyst for growth. Embrace pain as a teacher. Practice acceptance, cultivate a growth mindset, and turn your pain into fuel. Build resilience, reconstruct your identity, embody perseverance, and celebrate your transformation. Don't complain about your pain, instead, enjoy it as a crucial part of your journey. Through this process, you will rebuild yourself stronger and more resilient than ever before. Let's commit to facing our challenges with courage and determination, knowing that we have the power to transform our pain into progress. Thank you.